Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky, for those of you who are new here. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how often it is that I will declutter or purge my home. So here lately, I've been doing it at least once or twice a month, and it has been working out great for me. In a previous video, I mentioned that I have been on a minimalist journey, and like I said, it is a process and it takes time, and I do not recommend trying to do this all in one go. I think the best way to go about it is one step at a time, and that's how I have been doing it. That way you do not purge or declutter something that you will regret later. When I purge, sometimes it's just one or two things, sometimes it's several things. So I wanted to show you guys what I have purged for the month of February. Let's go check it out. This is everything. I decluttered this little black desk that I had in my dining room. We had purchased a new desk a couple years ago, and we just never got rid of this one. So I kind of was just using it as an end table, but honestly I don't need it. So I never even use it, honestly. I just kind of had a few decorations on there that I ended up decluttering as well. So I might as well just get rid of the desk too, because we already have one. And this was our old office chair, and we had gotten a new one last year from IKEA. So I wasn't using this rolling chair either. It was just sitting in the corner of our master bedroom. I have some more organizing bins that I'm not using. I haven't used them in quite a while, so I will be donating this. And there is a little fleece blanket, a rug that was in my kids' room, just a little hanging decor piece that was in the powder room downstairs that I honestly really didn't even like that much. I just kind of felt bad because I had purchased it, and I felt bad, so I hung it, and I really didn't like the way it looked. So I am finally parting ways with that. I have a little throw pillow here that I had made that I don't use at all, so I'm getting rid of that. Serving platter and this little fruit bowl that I never use, and a cupcake tin, a flour sifter. This is just an empty bag that I used to use when I did freelance makeup. I really don't do it as much anymore, so I don't even use it. This is just a faux fur scarf that I had gotten years ago, and I don't ever use it anymore. And hopefully you guys can see, it's kind of dark in here. Sorry about the lighting. And this is just a little sign that I had hanging in the kitchen that honestly I really don't want to put up any more house decor, and I just felt like it looked cluttered, so I took this down, and I'm going to be donating that. And then this is just toys from my kids toy declutter, and that video will be coming up soon after this. So those are their toys in there. And in here I just have more just organizing containers that I do not use. They were just sitting in my kitchen cabinet taking up space. So they are going. I have a tension rod, and then in here is just some party decorations and party utensils that are unused. They're brand new, so I'm going to be donating those as well, just getting rid of them. And whatever doesn't go to family or friends will be going to the Goodwill. And in this little bag down here are more toys for my kids' toy declutter. So that is the rest of the items that I am decluttering for the month of February, for the last week of February. So I went out the last week of February with a bang, and I got rid of a lot of stuff, which I feel really good about, because these items really weren't being used and they were just sitting there, and I just feel like a big weight off of my chest being able to really declutter these things and finally get them out of the house, because they were just taking up valuable real estate inside of my home. And I just wanted to mention that when you declutter or purge at least once a month in the beginning, when you are first coming into this journey, I feel like that is a good amount of time to go through your house and assess the situation, assess each room, and just start slowly but surely removing those items. I feel like this is a good way to go about doing it so that you're not overwhelmed and you're thinking clearly, and over time you'll start removing more and more items until you get to the point where you are satisfied with the amount of things that you have. I hope that these little tips help you out if you are trying to purge or declutter. I'm gonna go ahead and challenge you guys to go through your home and try to declutter a couple of things or purge a couple of things that you are no longer using, or things that are damaged or broken, or things that you could donate to a family that is in need. I hope that this video was helpful for you and inspiring for you to purge and declutter your home, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye.